Hello everybody! Today we shall have a look at some awesome board games. Let's start things off with this ThinkFun Gravity Maze Marble Run Brain Game, which is a STEM board game that takes marble rolling to a whole new level. Wish I had these when I was a kid. Seems much more fun than making marble trails in sand mountains. And cleaner too. Here we have the Plugo Link by PlayShifu. What an awesome blend of old school board games and new age technology. Also a STEM piece. Check it out. Next, we have the Beast of Balance, which puts a new spin on trying, to balance things. Should be great fun for family and friends. How about a new take on the escape room? Looks great if I may say so. Things off with this one, Mysterium. To be honest, this video doesn't show much in way of gameplay, but man, I dig the artwork and the whole vibe. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and pressing that like button. It helps us out a lot. Thank you so much.